ChitoCare started with intuition, the sea within myself. With my background in cosmetology, I have always been passionate about skin health. And after decades of working with Chitosan and seeing the amazing results from our wound healing medical products based on Chitosan, we decided to develop a skincare range, and so there was no turning back. Chitosan is a bioactive natural biopolymer. It is extracted from shrimp shell, wild caught in the North Atlantic, and it's often called the wonder of the sea. I wanted to combine this unique marine resource with science to create effective and sustainable skincare rooted in Iceland's pure nature.
Chitosan has film-forming qualities that helps lock in moisture, and also it's antibacterial, so it helps with faster wound healing. So our own formula, named ChitoCare Repair Complex, is also processed in-house using silica and collagen. So the nature gives us powerful tools like Chitosan, but then we always need the science to be able to use them effectively.
Turning waste into science-based luxury skincare, that makes me proud every day. Sustainability guides every decision I make, all the way from how we source the ingredients to how we protect the nature. Iceland represents purity and sustainability. The Icelandic ingredients make our formulas both effective and naturally sourced. We create effective products with respect for nature and for our future generations.
So being located here in Iceland, it is really wonderful to know that the clean Icelandic waters is all around us. And in the Icelandic waters, we have a lot of really good materials that we can use to benefit both health and body.
My goal is for ChitoCare to bring well-being to skin, health and mind. ChitoCare, natural beauty of Iceland.